Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to share your location on Android. For this, just search for your Google Map app. Now set your location. If you don't set it, don't set it, so after that just go for here on your Google ID or it, then go for location sharing, tap on share location. Now you can just increase or decrease your timing of share location, or otherwise you can choose this until you turn this off. So okay, now choose the person you wanna share your location, then just go for here, tap on share. Okay, now it's done. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.